Make a great choice today with the 2010 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, running boards, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.